Good morning friends, I am Santosh Mulik from English Department, Kishanvir Mahavidyalay, Y. Today we are going to discuss about tense chapter. Tense is very important in English language. Without tense we cannot make a single sentence. Therefore we discuss thoroughly about tense chapter. First of all we should be know what is meant by tense. Tense is a form of the verb that allows you to express time or action which is happen in past, present or future situation. This is very simple definition of tense. Actually, three main types of tenses in English language. Present tense, past tense and future tense. There are also four subtypes each one here. We discuss here one by one here. There is first one is simple present tense. The definition of simple present tense means to express present actions there. The structure of simple present tense is here subject plus verb plus object. I write here some example of simple present tense. First is I play cricket, we play cricket, you play cricket, he plays cricket, she plays cricket, it plays cricket and they play cricket. In this example we can see the little differences here. He plays cricket, she plays cricket, it plays cricket. There we add to the verb yes, he plays cricket. According to rule here, subject plus verb plus object, after the third person pronoun we can be add yes or es to the verb. This is a very simple example of simple present tense. Now we can see the second subtypes of present tense, present continuous tense. The definition of present continuous tense here, the present continuous tense means to express incomplete action there. Then also there is structure of present continuous tense is here subject plus am is are plus verb ing plus object. I write some example here of present continuous tense. I am reading a newspaper, we are reading a newspaper, you are reading a newspaper, he is reading a newspaper, she is reading a newspaper, it is reading a newspaper and they are reading a newspaper. We can see here after the I we use here am. Then the plural form here we, you, they, we use their are auxiliary, and after the third person singular pronoun he, she, it we use here is auxiliary. According to rule of grammar there, therefore we little change there after the pronoun am, is, are. This is a very simple example of present continuous tense. The next one is here present perfect tense. The present perfect tense means here to express completed action here. Then also structure of present perfect tense here, subject plus have has plus pp plus object. Pp means past participle of main verb there. There is some example. I have written a book, we have written a book, you have written a book. Then he has written a book, she has written a book, it has written a book and they have written a book. We can see here after the I, we, you and they we use their have auxiliary, and after the he, she, it there we use has, according to rule, according to structure of present perfect tense there. Therefore we can see very several example of present perfect tense. The next one is there present perfect continuous tense. This is the last subtypes of present tense there. The present perfect continuous tense means to refer to the action that began in the past, in progress, in present time and may be continue in the future. This is a very simple definition of present perfect continuous tense. The structure of present perfect continuous tense is there: subject plus have, has, plus been, plus main verb ing, plus object. We can see some example of present perfect continuous tense. I have been eating an apple. We have been eating an apple. You have been eating an apple. He has been eating an apple. She has been eating an apple. It has been eating an apple. And they have been eating an apple. We can see there after the I, we, you, they, we use there, have been there. And after the third person singular pronoun he, she, it, we use there, has been. This is very little differences here. We can be easily understand about that. In this way, we can be make a very several example about present tense. Actually, present tense is very simple, but we try to understand, and without tense we cannot make a single sentence in English language. Then we can be continue about past tense. Past tense, there are also four subtypes: simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. We can be see one by one here. The simple past tense, the definition of simple past tense: the simple past tense means to express the action completed in the past. This is the definition of simple past tense. Then we can be see the structure of simple past tense: subject plus V2 plus object. V2 means the second form of main verb there. I write here some example. I drew a picture. We drew a picture. You drew a picture. He drew a picture. She drew a picture. It drew a picture. They drew a picture. The all the pronouns we after the pronoun we use their second form of main verb. There is not a little difference after the any pronoun there. The very simple structure of simple past tense there. Then we can see the second subtypes of past tense, past continuous tense. The definition of past continuous tense: to refer to the action that had begun in the past and was in the progress at the time. This is a definition of past continuous tense. And there is also structure of past continuous tense: subject plus was, were, plus main verb ing, plus object. I write some example. I was watching a TV. We were watching a TV. You were watching a TV. He was watching a TV. She was watching a TV. It was watching a TV. They were watching a TV. After we can be see after the plural form we, you, and they, we use their were, and after the singular form there I, he, she, it, after the that pronoun we use their was. This is very simple structure. We can be understand very easily here. Then after that, past perfect tense. The definition of past perfect tense there: past perfect tense means to refer to the action already completed in the past there. Then the structure of past perfect tense: subject plus had plus pp plus object. Pp means past participle of main verb there. I write some example about past perfect tense. I had given a pen. We had given a pen. You had given a pen. He had given a pen. She had given a pen. It had given a pen. And they had given a pen. These are the example of past perfect tense. There is no change. Everywhere we can be use had and past participle of main verb. Then lastly we can be see the past perfect continuous tense. The definition of past perfect continuous tense is to refer to the action that had begun in the past was continue at the time and is not already to the present time there. Then structure of past perfect continuous tense there, subject plus had plus been plus main verb ing plus object there. There are some example. I had been studying in library, we had been studying in library, you had been studying in library, he had been studying a library, she had been studying a library, it had been studying a library, they had been studying library. These are the example. After all the pronoun we can be used there had been plus verb ing. This is a very simple structure of past perfect continuous tense. Therefore, today we discuss here the present tense and past tense. I hope that everyone you can be understand very easily. This chapter is over here. The later the future tense we will be continue the next video. Thank you very much.